Okay, hello everyone and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, I just quickly want to share something with you. So we had a seminar today, this morning. I always do seminars, weekly seminars, Saturdays or Fridays, okay, with our students on our platform. So make sure you join our groups. Today's seminar was on JAMB memory masteries. Okay, I taught on techniques that you can use to master your subjects, mnemonics, visualization, and wait, let me quickly share something with you quickly. Okay, so this was the seminar. All right, you see it, this was the seminar. How your memory works, mnemonics, how to set this up, for your reading. Don't worry, I will show you a document I've prepared for physics and chemistry. Okay, visualization, picture it, powerful memory hacks for JAMB success. You need active recall, spaced repetition. I have already uploaded the video. Okay, the record, the seminar itself is on our YouTube channel. So go to our YouTube channel, is there. Let me show you our YouTube channel. Where is it? I think it's there already. Okay, just let me refresh this. All right, can you see this? It's in our YouTube channel. All right, so go watch it. You won't regret watching it. All right, let me quickly show you what I was showing them. All right, for example, like physics, when you're reading, instead of to remember some particular things, like in electromagnetism, there's some mnemonics that you can learn that will help you remember formulas. So these are techniques, mind mapping. Just watch that video, okay? If you want to remember your SI units, all your prefix from tera, giga to micro and nano, they are mnemonics that you can use that would help your memory for recall. Okay, so please do, I'm just encouraging you to watch the video. For chemistry, let me show you chemistry, some mnemonics you can use for chemistry. Can you see this? If you want to know about the homologous series order, apples are exciting but never allowed kindly. Alkane, alkene, alkyne, benzene. You see, are you seeing all those things? All right, don't worry, I will share these documents freely. I will share them on our groups. Make sure you join our Facebook group, our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. Okay, just join it on the free groups. I'm going to share it soon. All right, I will let you know how you can get it. All right, so this will help your study, especially my chemistry people. Don't worry, we are going to do for government. I know art people will say, what of us, ma? We will try. We are going to try. Okay, I'll try and do that for other subjects. Okay, so let me quickly so I want to say to you that tomorrow, okay, because when we did the seminar, I noticed there was, at the end, students were asking me a lot about registration. So this is what I'm going to do for you. Even if it's going to stress me, this is what I'll do tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to hold a seminar again by 7 p.m. and we are just focusing on JAMB registration. Hold on. We're focusing on JAMB registration. Okay, I will be on this template. We will fill it together. I will teach you how to fill it together in the seminar. So how do you get the seminar link? Make sure you are on our groups. Be on the DTW tutorials group. Okay, how do you get the group link? See, on my profile bio, where you see my picture, you see a link. Click on that link. When you click on the link, you see link to the Telegram group, WhatsApp group, Facebook group. I will share the link to the meeting. It's a Google Meet meeting. Okay, we're going to spend at least 45 minutes. I will teach you how to do all this. Okay, I don't know why this thing is doing like this. I'll teach you how to do all this. Do you understand me? We're going to fill it together. That's what we're going to do. And registration, any questions about registration that you have, okay, because it actually took our time, but tomorrow will be on just registration, because registration starts on Monday. And as I told you, I'm selling the e-pin. That's the e-pin is the JAMB form itself. So come to that webinar so you understand all these things. All right, so you can start purchasing your e-pin to prepare for Monday, that you take your profile code and e-pin and go to a JAMB CBT center to register. So tomorrow, Sunday, 7 p.m., On the meeting, on the webinar, I'm going to be explaining all this to you. Okay, I'm going to be showing you other templates, like there's what we call this people with issues of lost sim and all that. We're going to also discuss it. So any question you have about registration, please come. It's not that you will come and, hey God, no, you don't, that you come and message me directly. I can't, I don't want to even tell you how many messages I've responded it to today. Over 1,000 messages. And please, it is not all that is even money. It's help me. I want you guys to support me. Get the DTW JAMB CBT app. At least support me with that. That is my business. Okay, support me with that. Support us by joining our online classes, and which is also for even more of your benefits. We are even giving you more than the value you are even paying, as in more value than the money you are paying for. All right, so please, 7 p.m. tomorrow will be for JAMB registration. We are going to go through all these form templates, and especially we're going to dwell on this. Fill it together. Any question you have, you ask me. Okay, and all these templates are in our groups. Okay, they are in the groups. All right, so all you need to do is, I think what you should do, just get ready with me tomorrow. Go and print out your own. I'll share it on the groups. Even if you don't have it tomorrow, you after the webinar, you can always go and print your own early in the morning, fill your own, and with your e-pin and profile code, go do your JAMB registration. All right, so that's what I just said to let you inform you. Let me quickly switch back. Yeah, so okay, so that is it. So I noticed that there was that need, and I could not answer all questions. We stayed in that seminar for like 1 hour 40 something minutes. I said no, please. So, and after the webinar, people were still messaging me, ma, my profile code has this, it has this issue, has this, that. So tomorrow is for you. Anything registration issue, we are trashing it out in that webinar. All right, so it's going to be online. Prepare by 7 p.m. I will be with you live, filling that the form I spoke of, and also sharing with you the approved JAMB CBT center. The list is on all our groups. Please, it's important you join the groups, okay, because that's where I will be giving you all updates, not only just JAMB, and when JAMB finish, when JAMB ends, updates about your universities, when post-UME form will be out, when everything. Just make sure you stick to DTW tutorials group for instant messaging. Okay, so you are destined to win. All right, I want to encourage you, because during the webinar, some people were, I'm just opening my book today. I just want to start. You get my point. I just joined and I'm just encouraged to start now. Is there hope? There's hope. Oh. There is hope. JAMB is like 85 days away. That's like almost 3 months. There is hope. Just start wherever you are. Are you with me? There is hope. Don't do pity pat. Don't get scared. Don't get pressured. No. Okay, you know that you started late. Don't get pressured. Are you with me? Just start. Get the 30 days JAMB, DTW JAMB syllabus timetable. It's on the group. And just start. 2 months. Try to see what you can cover. Even if it's like 70% of the syllabus you cover on all your 4 subjects, it's good. Then the final month, you will now start intensifying practice on the DTW JAMB CBT app. If you are the person you are not motivated, ginger to read on your own, join our online classes. Because this month, February, we are starting brainstorming on our WhatsApp group. So it's a double portion I'm giving you people. 2 drugs at the same time. Apart from the live classes, Google Meet, you see your teachers. Immediately we stop that one. In your groups again, teachers are coming. They will just give you a break. Maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour break. We are starting again from the beginning of the syllabus. This is to help you. This is what we taught. Okay, to help you retrieve information, to help you recall. Okay, and when you join us, we are going to give you access to all the video links from November, so you can even start watching it as your Netflix. You can, if you can finish a series in 4 days, let's say 8 seasons in 4 days, you can finish that in 4 days. From November, December, January videos, you can finish it. You are destined to win. Please be encouraged. You can do it. You are destined to win. Believe in yourself. You can make it. and you can do it. Okay, see you tomorrow by 7 p.m. Make sure you share with your friends, let your friends know. Okay, and the links to the groups, everything is on a profile bio, right?